The truck stop also has the museum, the Iowa 80 Truck Museum, and oh my gosh, I mean, cars are cool, museums and everything like that, but these are working vehicles. I mean, these were production vehicles designed for a specific task, and all the way from the 1900s. They had a 1926 front-wheel drive BT telephone pole hole digger. It was really cool, front-wheel drive. I mean, they had the first truck ever, a 1903 Elkridge.
Friction transmission, so it's variable speeds. That wheel, this wheel is connected to the engine, this wheel is connected to the drivetrain. The brakes and everything.
1911 electric delivery truck. 1911 electric vehicles were already around, so don't let Tesla think that he's the first guy.
They're making their way back around again.
Yeah, there's this 1910 Avery truck that had wood plugs in the wheels. So when the wheels wore out, you just replace the wooden plugs. It costs the same as a house. $2,500. One of the things I liked the best was the 1968, which was a great year. Ford F-250, which is the truck we're driving, cab over camper, cool looking old cab over camper truck. 1930 Model A snowmobile. We had a 1960 F600 John Deere corn sheller farm truck. Got that picture for Michael. He's in the farming. They also had a 1922 Walker tractor snowplow. That one was for James. '24 white wrecker, M40. That one was for Lenny. Then they had a bunch of other stuff. '20 McDonald's. It was a cool truck. First truck to have power steering and power brakes. It was a low bed truck used for dock working, and it was chain front wheel drive. Front wheel drive chain. Crazy for 1920. One of the most beautiful trucks, though, that I thought was the 1960 Autocar DC 65T stainless steel truck. 13 were built. Shiny, and 8 survived. They also had a 1926 Rogers 20-ton lowboy. It was the first gooseneck trailer. It also had manual brakes, so when they would go down hills, there was the actual tractor didn't have enough braking power, so there was actually have somebody in the back with a big wheel that would operate the cable actuated trailer brakes.
You see something similar on fire trucks. Is that the same sort of deal, or just because it's so long?
That's the steering thing. That's a steering thing. So the guy in the back has control around corners and such.
That makes sense.